Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how to get this simple brown and maroon colored eyeshadow, just keep watching and I'll teach you how. What I'm going to use today is LA Colors Matte Metallic, one of the palettes, and we're going to use this color and this color right here. This is going to be for the crease, this is for the lid, and oops, it's okay. I'm going to cut a little bit of the crease today with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Soft Matte Concealer. And is there a color? There is no color. Oh, porcelain. And then the brushes that I'm going to be using today are these, if you can see them. Okay, so let's get started. And first I'm going to take that color right here, it's like a brownish color, and put that in the crease. Next I'm going to take this brush and put the tiniest little bit of this concealer on it. Okay, so now that you watch me struggle with that, today's been a day. I am going to go back in with that brown color and just kind of go back a little over the crease. Because I'm not too good at that yet, you know? Gotta practice a little more. Okay, so now I'm going to take this smaller brush, this one, and I'm going to go and take that color that we're going to put on the lid. It's kind of like a maroonish color, I'd say. I guess. I'm going to take the bigger brush, put a little bit more of it on there, and blend that in the corner more. I'm focusing on, and like kind of bringing it in towards my inner corner of my eye. And I kind of have this idea right now that I kind of want to take this color, the shiny one, and put that on the inside. So let's try that. Well, it's not really showing up for some reason. So let's just continue using this one, I guess. And just put it all over the lid. And the only reason why I did cut the crease, because I don't really want it to look like I did, but I only did so like the color shows up more and you can tell that I put a different color there. Because they've been kind of like, from this palette, the colors kind of just like blend together when you put it on your skin. If you don't put concealer over the spots that you want the lighter color to be, it like looks muddy and no bueno. Next, I'm actually going to take my exposed palette and I'm just going to use this color right here and use the smaller brush that we just had, wipe it off, take a little bit of this shiny prettiness and put it in the corner. It's some shine. So the other colors we used were matte. The one shiny one that I did want to use wasn't working for some reason. I don't know why it wasn't showing up on my skin. But this is, so we're good. So we got that. Next, I am going to take this brush right here, and I'm gonna just, I have black eyeshadow on it already. I'm gonna blend a little bit into the lash line. I feel like, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that brown color right here that we put in the crease and just bring it up here more. Go over it one more time. I have a bunch of fallout happening. I don't really like this eyeshadow. I can't wait to get new makeup, and that is going to be really soon, you guys, and I'm wicked excited for it because I ordered some offline from a bunch of different places, and some of them are saying it's going to take until after the Valentine's Day, which is really crappy, but it's okay. And now I'm going to take a little bit of this highlight right here, put it under our brow, which I already did my eyebrows, obviously. Okay, now I'm going to take a little of this concealer because I do have fallout, and I'm just going to dab. Oh, that's a little too much right there. That helped a lot with clearing up all of that fallout because it was looking like I had some raccoon eyes going on. Oh, I got something in my eyeball. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now, I'm gonna go glue on my false eyelashes, and then I'll show you guys the final look. I'm actually gonna put on some eyelash... Gonna put on some eyelashes and mascara. There we go. There's the word, Brie. Good job. And I'll be right back with you guys. Hi guys. So he's like kind of nervous right now. This is Almond, and he is so handsome. He's one of my babies. He was very sick the other day. Yes. There, I'll put him down. But I put on my false eyelashes and mascara on the bottom lash line. So now I am done. This is the final look. Hopefully you guys can see it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like down below if you want to see me do anything better or anything, you have any requests. Just comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.